Hi, my name is Pat Goodwin with patgoodwinassociates.com, and today we're going to talk about how to write a printable resume online. So much of the technology is, we are so used to that we know that we have to be able to prepare documents to put online. So preparing your resume for printable resume online would require some special techniques. Once you have actually developed or built your resume, you want to think about, are bullets on a printable resume online going to work? Should I put this in a scannable fashion? Should I put it in a text version? So as you explore those options, you want to make sure that you play with that from a standpoint of printing it yourself to see what it looks like. Make sure that it's not out of skew. So I would encourage you to look at what is the best representation of yourself. What should you be saying in your resume that will demonstrate value that you bring to the employer or whomever it is that's looking at your printable resume? You can attach it as a Word document, which would end up making the nicest presentation of your resume. But a printable resume online, when you are not able to put it in a doc format, then you may have to put it in a text version. Make sure that you are able to cut and paste, and then when you cut and paste it in the document, that it's going to be lined up correctly. So while I'd like bullets on a resume, using bullets in an online version may not be the best. So you would want to take out the bullets. I would discourage from using any italics. The Helfonte font is a good font that even if it's a little smaller, you can read it. A lot of people use Arial, but you might want to use the Helfonte that particular type of documentation, because I think you can read it easier, even if it's a smaller print. So test out the resume before you actually send it. Many companies want you to also post an application online. You've got to be very careful about that. Printable resumes can go along with having you apply online and write a cover letter. So you've got to get very savvy with how to post your resume online, how to post a cover letter online, how to cut and paste into the document that it looks professional. Try it out, and then when you then actually go online to post your resume and you set the send button, you don't have any guesstimates about how it's going to look on the other end. So try those things out, and hopefully that will help you as to how to prepare a printable resume online.